Mumbai's Marine Drive became the scene of a horrific midnight accident involving a drunk woman driver. The woman rammed her CRV into a taxi, a biker and a police checkpost, instantly killing the biker and injuring 5 policemen. One of the injured policemen later succumbed to his injuries in hospital. 2 other policemen are said to be critical. The biker was reportedly taking an alcohol test at the police post when the CRV crashed into them. All the injured have been admitted to the Bombay hospital. The speed at which the woman was driving the CRV can be gauged from the damage caused to it by the impact of the crash. The woman driver, who is now in a police lockup, has been identified as 27-year-old Nooria Yusuf Haveliwala. She is a beautician and lives with her Mumbai family in Colaba. It's now confirmed that the test conducted on her has found 457 ml of alcohol, which is way beyond the permissible limit of 50 ml. The police have slapped several charges against her, including culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which carries a maximum sentence of life imprisonment. Other charges include causing death by negligent driving.
We are at the scene of the accident on Marine Lines. This is where that horrible accident happened in the early hours of the morning. This is the Honda SUV driven by 27-year-old Nooria Haveliwala, which first rammed into a taxi and then into a biker, killing him on the spot and injuring 5 other policemen, 2 of them critically. As you can see from the vehicle, you can really see the extent, just how horrific that accident was. Remember, this Honda SUV hit a taxi first and then the biker and then the police barricade. And you can see from the smashed glass and inside also the completely smashed windshield, really the impact of that accident, just how terrible that collision was. The wheel has completely come out. Here inside, in fact, you can see the airbags have popped out. It is this that prevented the driver from getting any serious injuries. In fact, she escaped without a crash, without a scratch, while the people around her were injured so terribly. The vehicle is still here. We understand it's going to be taken in a short while. Nooria herself is being held at the LT Marg police station. Among the charges which are likely to be slapped on her are rash driving, drunk driving and death due to negligence. Of course, the charge sheet is still not finalized. We understand that it's still in the process of being drawn up. And the families of the 2 policemen who were critically injured are at the Bombay hospital, where they are admitted in ICU. The mood amongst the cops, one of shock. You know, in the last 2 years, Mumbai has seen a very tough crackdown against drunk drivers on the part of the cops. And in fact, the cops who were injured were on duty at that point. They were at a check naka, checking drivers for alcohol limits when this happened. The biker, in fact, who was killed, had been stopped and he was being checked, being put through a breathalyzer when the accident happened. So clearly the Mumbai police in a very grim mood, and you know, they're looking really to take the toughest possible action. With camera person Santosh Jagtap, this is Shai Venkatraman for NDTV.
Tuba.com